This is Maddie.
You want some peas? Come on. Is it good? No? You sure you want some peas?
Maddie does not like peas.
Come on. Peas? Okay.
She's pleading for help, people. Look at it. She got peas in her mouth. She is not happy.
Get that taste out of your mouth. Come on, Maddie. Come on. Peas?
She's fighting.
Let me get in there. Come on. Come on. Oh, there they went. Her peas gross. You want to drink water? Oh, it's good stuff. Oh, get that nasty taste out of your mouth. And a bite? Come on. No? A bite?
Ha ha ha!